Hey, welcome back to the Print House, guys. I am here. I'm alive. I'm here. I'm still doing my thing. But a lot of changes in you know my life. Not really changes my life so much as going back to normal. I'm still in the shop. I still have all my equipment. It's June, towards the end of June now. As you can see, I still have all my equipment. Nothing's changed down here, guys. Just a little messy. So, I just wanted to make a video and not really explain where I've been because you guys already know if you follow the channel. I'm back to work, and I have myself in a unique situation because we're shorthanded. So I'm doing, 50, 60, sometimes more hours a week at my regular job. And I am still down here doing work and stuff like that. I mean, my son, but my son now works with me, so which is kind of awesome. He's not working side by side with me, but he does work with me at the shop. So kind of excited about that. He's going to be attending night school and working there at the same time. He's full time. He loves it. He's learning stuff every day. He kind of is leaning to wanting to learn fabrication. You guys know I work for a big commercial sign shop, big company, and yeah, he's there. So that's the major change of what's going on with us. That he works with me. He graduated a few weeks back, started to work, a couple weeks right after. Boom, there he is, paying his bills, paying his car payment. He doesn't even really have bills. He just has a car payment. That's all he's got. So first off, I just wanted to just kind of respond to all the emails and the messages I've gotten, and I get a lot. I get them every day, and I know I've always said that I would always respond and help everybody as much as I could. And guys, I get emails every day asking for advice with equipment on the direction people want to go. What's a good idea? I'm not really good at helping people financially. Help people financially decide what they're doing. I can't really do that, and I really don't recommend taking my advice. All I can tell you is, I recommend certain equipment that I work with. That's it. I've got real good use out of this equipment. It's almost 3 years, guys. If you can believe it, I've been doing this almost 3 years, the Print House. So my HP 115 is going strong. No issues except the one print head that was covered under warranty because for whatever reason the magenta went bad or whatever that is. So and the BN20, guys, it's great. I love that little thing. Everyone should have one of those in their house. I don't care what you do, what level or caliber of decal signage you do. It's so fun to have that thing. So anyways, I just wanted to just get a video up here telling you guys that I'm not dead. I'm alive. I'm working. I'm not as down here as much as I used to be or like to be, but I have to focus on my regular job. We lost a few people, so we're shorthanded, and just requires me to put more time in. And because I love the job, but I'm not going to lie, it's been very stressful for me. There's a big workload, and it's a big change of where I was, a few years ago. So, but I'm excited because the direction, position I'm in, everything else, it feels really good. And of course, the money's not bad either. So, but I know a lot of you guys watch the channel and you want updates and that. My channel's not based off my personal life. I'm not like some YouTuber that shows you what I'm eating or, takes you to the store or has interactions with police. I'm just the Print House. I'm just a guy with his son that works in the basement printing stuff, on the side. That's it. I don't make signs at home, but I do laser engraving stuff. I can make anything I want pretty much. I have CNCs, lasers, everything. But I do enough signage at work. So, and I'm having a blast working on the HPR 2000 Plus at work, guys. You've seen the videos. Man, I love that thing. Printing directly to boards. We print directly to Sintra, Ultra board, foam, Gator board, PVC, and of course, vinyls, banners, mesh material, perforated vinyl, and we print white. It prints white daily. I love it. Love that machine. I wish I had that at home. Can you imagine removing half the house on top to get that down here? But you know, it's a pretty cool opportunity. You know, I've been with the company since 2006 or 7, one of those, and then I left for a couple of years and came back, and then I've been back since. So, you know, it's my second home, and you know, it's those guys are my. You see, when you see your work, I call them family. When you see your work family more than your own family, you have to call it like it is. They're your family, you know. So, you know, everybody I work with, despite a couple that aren't there anymore, we get along, we have fun, but we're busy, you know, and we need people. So, you know, they're always looking for good people to come in and take over. So, plus a younger generation. So, but yeah, guys, I'm here. I get your emails daily for the people that ask me, you know, to mentor them, this and that. And hey, I was in your situation once. I understand what it's like. You know, I wish I can respond to every email, or at least, you know, fully respond. But I have to make a video for you guys to know that I just don't have the time. And I apologize. I just don't have the time to be down here making videos anymore. And because, like I said, I don't do personal videos. This isn't a vlog channel. I don't show you what I'm eating. You know what I mean? I'm not going to take you outside and show you the pool we put in and how I'm swimming. You know, I just don't do that, guys. I just, you know, I think to me, at this point, I think I ran out of content with the equipment that I have. I'd like to get, you know, a DTF machine, but I don't, it would just be sitting more than it would be used. And I still have to get with Waldo. You guys know Waldo's channel, 2413. He's got a great channel. He took a break. I'm not sure if he's back. But, you know, he does DTF printing, good quality stuff. I've gotten shirts from him. So, you know, I can't justify having a DTF machine because other people do it. And you have, you know, access to that. You know, it's not worth me having one. But, you know, aside from that, like, I'm not going to keep doing the same repetitive videos, you guys, just to bore you, just for the views. And, you know, to be honest, I never started this as, you know, a means to make money, you know, but the channel does make a little bit every month, and it's not, you know, I'm not paying a car payment with it, you know what I mean? It's actually gone down. I know you guys have saw videos where I bought a camera, a Sony ZV-E10 with proceeds from the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what else I got for the channel. I bought a Weeble 3S gimbal. Brand new model, and I'm excited to start doing some car shows. So this is my my Sony gimbal camera, and I can't wait to start doing car shows with that. So, you know, other than that stuff, I'm not really doing much else. I still have my truck. It's sitting in the garage mostly, but you know, I take it out driving after work sometimes, or I stop at a cruising local. But life is real busy right now, guys. I mean, I'm happy I'm busy and I'm working. Obviously, you should be. I just can't be down here having as much fun because this is my passion down here. But things are changing at work. Hopefully, I can start working less overtime and I can start getting more time down here because I need to straighten up. It's a disaster. I mean, there's no time or no room on this table half the time to do what I need to do. So I have to clear it off like every time I use it. So, but, you know, like I said, I digress. I just wanted to, you know, tell you guys once again, I appreciate everybody. I think I hit 3,600. Never thought I'd ever hit that much. I remember when I hit 1,000, I was ecstatic. Couldn't believe it. People are still viewing. And if there's videos, you know, that you'd want to see with the current equipment I have, the HP Latex cutter still cuts. I still perf with this thing, guys. Same blade. I'm actually perfect with a 45-inch blade because I'm not lambing them. I'm just printing and perf cutting and contour cutting. Still going strong. I can't even justify getting rid of that. You've seen the videos. Now 3 years, I'm on one of the same blades. I go back and forth with my lamb. Being 20, you guys know that thing is always my favorite. And my HP Latex is just a workhorse. Guys, going to pump out a banner in a few minutes. Boom. That thing's doing it. And of course, my stahls heat press over there. That thing, yeah, big investment. That was way more money I wanted to spend on a heat press. But because my old stahls heat press was from 2005, still ticking. It was only a 9x12. I wanted to go with stahls. I wanted to support the product that's got me through the years. I've made a lot of shirts on that little press. It's still going. I'd like to give it to somebody locally, somebody that's, you know, starting out, maybe a young kid or something like that. Because my kids don't have no use for it. They have the rest of the stuff in the shop, so they don't have a use for that. So I may try to pawn it off on somebody in my neighborhood that maybe is not an adult, maybe a kid, a young teenager that really wants to use it. You know what I mean? Not like their parent trying to pawn off their kid is wanting it. Something like that. I don't know. Like maybe I'll sell for really cheap, have them come out, pick it up, and just give it to them. You know what I mean? All right. So, anyways, that's it. That's where I'm at. I'm still here. It's it's June 25th, I think. So, I mean, this is you know, one thing that kind of upsets me is I can't do a lot of my hobby stuff. We fly helicopters and stuff like that, and airplanes, and we drive RC. I didn't even have time to do that. And now that my son's working, it takes away from that too. So he was working Saturday also, but you know, he bought some new fishing poles, and I'd like to go check that out one time, because I got a new truck that I'd like to take a little, you know, trailing, you know what I mean? So, but that's about it, guys. I digress again. HP Latex 115, workhorse, going strong, no issues. BN20, it's what I built my channel off of, these printers, guys, and still going strong. So if you're new and you're still in the market and you just discovered my channel, go back to the other videos. You'll see I say nothing but good times. Good things about this equipment. I don't get a percentage of anything. I don't help sell. I just like to promote what I like, and the equipment that I have, I like it. So, but that's about it. So yeah, I appreciate everybody, all the new subscribers, all the old guys. Special thanks to like Mike and you know, Waldo and those guys that, you know, kept interactions with me through the years here. And you know, watch a lot of the popular channels. Watch Darren, both Darrens. Watch their channels. Time to Make Something. Watch those channels. Juan's, Liberty Graphics. Watch Rye Beats, Waldo. All those guys. Support those guys, man. Those guys are doing this for a living. You know what I mean? Support those guys more than support me, guys, because I have a full-time job. This is just a hobby for me. I don't need, you know, I don't need this. I just like to show this. That's all. Because there really wasn't a whole lot of help when I started. Really, the only person that I watched when I started was Darren. I think their new name is Print Shop Talk. Those guys and Time to Make Something. Those were the guys who were around when I was watching HP Latex videos when I did. I wasn't new to printing and anything like that. I was just new to those machines. And they're the reason I have it, and I still have it. But if I want quality prints, I go to BN20 or go with a larger Roland EcoSol. You'll get a better color gamut and better print just because of the size of the dots and everything. It's all said. But anyway, support those guys. You know, they need it more than me. And then my channel is always going to be here for resources. And like I said, if you want me to do anything that you haven't seen that can help you, by all means, send me a message, comment on the video below, and I'll see if I can throw that into my schedule. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video, of course. And DaPrintHouse, I'm out of here, guys.